Hey cousins. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did highlights on this bundle I got from Amazon. I got a 22-inch bundle of Brazilian straight, and that was the vendor. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below, but it was really good quality. It was soft, it did not shed. As you know, sometimes longer the bundle, the smaller the bundle. Longer the length, smaller the bundle. Boom. Anyways, I had got it because I had ordered a wig and I felt like it was just a little too thin. So I just wanted to try this particular vendor. So I used 30 volume developer and 2 scoops of bleaching powder, BW bleaching powder, and you want it kind of runny. Now I saw this trick on TikTok, and I got it from a young lady called Janae's Rehab, I believe is her name. And so I wanted to try it. And other people have done it on TikTok, but I wanted to try it too. And it was a little hard, just trying to get everything to like stay in place. But for my first time, I think I did a pretty good job. I'm definitely gonna do this again. Like, this is like a nice shortcut to doing highlights on a bundle. If you want to do it this way, I wanted to, because I wanted to add like some fullness and color to the wig without putting the bundle in and then adding highlights later. I wanted to try this method. I'm always trying something different or new. I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm just starting off at the bottom and I'm working my way up, and you just want to make sure that it's fully saturated. And what I also did was I kind of did skip. I did a section, skipped a section, did a section is what I did. That's what I saw anyways with other people doing on TikTok. And so I also feathered the top because I wanted to have like that gradient effect. I want to look very seamless, so I did just feather the top and it came out really nice. I've seen people do it however you want. You can like lift it, like you can do the opposite pieces brighter or however you want. But I just did it this way. And so this part, I'm going to show you like a more up close part of me doing it. And again, this was my first time. I think I did pretty well. So the more I do it, the easier it's going to get. I may even find like a little stand to put on my wall to like hang the bundle, and then try doing it that way, like standing up. But anyways, you want to just hold the bundle down as well as the foil. Hold it down and then go ahead and start painting on the bleach. I did see somebody put like a towel under the hair, probably because it can get slippery if you do it on your countertop. Girl, why I can't talk today? Sorry, y'all. I had a panic attack last night. It's been a rough day, but I'm here by the grace of God. It's sometimes that happens, but anywho, so this is the outcome of everything. I did let it sit for about 30 minutes and it lifted to this level. I feel like that's the highest that it'll get. So just, keep that in mind. But it didn't damage your hair at all. I did rinse it out with purple shampoo, let it air dry with the one and only argan oil. And I did let it over dry overnight on my hanger. So I'll make sure to include everything in my Amazon storefront for you guys. But I really like this technique, and let me know if you guys decide to try it as well. In the meantime, I'll see y'all in the next video. God bless.